This is the latest upgrade to the highly successful LEMFO LEM12. You're looking at the LEM12 PRO, 4 gigabytes of memory, 64 gigabytes of storage, a whole new processor, a whole new operating system. This one is running on Android 10. This is all of the different functions that we saw in Android 7 carried over, so it's not a new learning experience. You got notifications sent to you from your phone, a robust app drawer with phone contacts and SMS for SIM calling, no Bluetooth calling, some updates and changes in settings. You've got a special watch face store now to download hundreds of watch faces directly over the internet, kinds of browsers and a camera for the front and the side. You've got calendars, heart rate sensors, basically the stock apps that we've seen before, including fitness that's integrated with GPS, and new icons makes it easier to use. You can go across on any of these and see what your activities have been in the recent past, and of course turn on or off the global positioning that gives you the more accurate distance computations. All of it is here in a package that's exactly the same size, shape, and look of the original LEM12, just really boosted up to a whole new level. You're looking at the LEMFO LEM12 PRO. Check it out.